Hi Lemlisters, I hope you're doing well. I'd like to show you in this video how you can have the perfect email deliverability thanks to our unique feature that we call Lemworm. Whether you have an old or brand new email address, this is super efficient to avoid any category or spam folders, so bear with me, it only takes 30 seconds to set up in the app. So you have a whole section dedicated to Lemworm. You can access it from here, or you can use the shortcut W. So I'm going to press W, and here we are. But first, let me explain a few things about email deliverability. Your email deliverability is impacted by several factors. One of them is volume and consistency of your emails. That means you shouldn't send emails out of the blue at random intervals, because this is what spammers do. So at the opposite, Lemworm is trying to imitate a human behavior. That means creating unique emails to send to relevant people and to get replies from them. And before Lemworm, people were trying to warm up their email account manually. That means they were sending emails to their friends, asking them to reply to these emails every day and gradually increasing the number of emails sent per day week after week. So that means the first week they were sending 10 to 20 emails per day, the second week 20 to 40, the week after even more. So it was a full-time job. So that's why Lemworm appeared. We created this awesome feature. So everything is done automatically by Lemlist. Lemworm uses your email address to automatically send unique emails to other people from the Lemlist community and then will automatically generate a replies to them. On top of that, Lemworm will also mark all your emails as important, and if your emails went to the spam or the category folders, it will be put directly back to the primary box. So how can you take the most of this amazing feature? You have to indicate two values here. The first one is the maximum number of emails that Lemworm will send for you every day. But as I told you, this is a gradual process. It has to be step by step. So you will indicate the ramp up value. That means the additional email that you want to send every day. So for people who have an email address that is less than 6 months, we recommend that you reach a maximum number of emails sent per day of 30 with a ramp-up value of 1. That means the first day, when you set up Lemworm in your account, you'll send 1 email, the second day 2 email, the third day 3 email, etc., until you reach this maximum number. And then because you'll let Lemworm work for you, it will for weeks and weeks and for months send 30 emails from your email address every day. For people who have an email address that is more than 6 months, you can indicate here 40 emails and here as a ramp-up value 2. That means the first day you're going to send 2 emails, second day 4 emails, the day after 6 emails, etc., until you reach the 40 emails per day. So basically, in average, you're going to have warmed up your email account after 3 to 5 weeks. So now let me show you how you can at any moment take a look at what's going on with your Lemworm emails. Here are the total Lemworm emails sent, and here all the emails that were saved from the spam and category folder. So you can also have this same stat, but for the past 2 weeks. And if you scroll down, you're going to have these graphs that indicate where your emails are landing. Is it the inbox in green, or the category, or the spam, and all your replies as well. So let me show you an example, what you should expect using Lemworm. This is what your graph will look like if you're using Lemworm for less than 2 weeks. So of course you can see a bit of spam and category and uncompleted task, but if you're using Lemworm for a few weeks, you're gonna have all your replies in the inbox and a bit of inbox and category in your emails. And last but not least, you can see that after weeks and weeks, you have almost all your emails and replies landing in the inbox. So this is great. Now, because we're using the community of Lemlisters, of course, you're going to receive emails from other Lemlisters using Lemworm. So you don't want to, you don't want these emails to mess up with the rest of your emails. So that's why you're going to have to go to your email accounts and create a filter. So that takes 30 seconds. Let me show you. So you come here and you indicate that all emails with Lemworm as a subject, then you click on create filter, will skip the inbox. Okay, my internet is a bit tricky this morning. So skip the inbox and also never go to the spam and marked as important as we said before. Then you create the filter and here you are. This is basically everything you need to know about Lemworm. I hope you liked it because this is quite cool and it doesn't take much time to set up. So please tell me if you thought it was interesting. If you have further questions, like be crazy and tell me everything on YouTube or on the Facebook community. And I will see you guys next week. Don't hesitate to subscribe so you'll have all this information and all these tips coming every week for you. Bye bye, guys.